For as long as people have been living on the coast, they have been making their living on the sea. The current boat building tradition in North Carolina started more than 2 centuries ago. Barbour Boat Works, a shipyard that was on the Trent River, has been a small part of that shipbuilding heritage. In 1932, Herbert Barbour set up shop on the Trent River in New Bern, North Carolina. His company, Barbour Boat Works, specialized in the construction and repair of small commercial vessels. The company stayed relatively small until World War II, when Barbour started receiving U.S. Navy contracts for ship construction. The yard expanded operations, and at the peak of their wartime construction, Barbour had 1,200 employees working in the shipyard. Initially, the company built wooden-hulled minesweepers, salvage ships, and escort vessels for the Navy. In 1945, the company started supplying ferries for North Carolina's Department of Transportation, as well as tugboats to the Coast Guard, some of which are still active to this day. Following the war, the company built private and commercial vessels, rowboats, dinghies, racing-class sailboats, outboard runabouts, and a few coastal cruisers. The company continued to build pleasure boats well into the 1960s, offering boats with lapstrake, plywood, and fiberglass hulls. The company may be best known for its series of mahogany boats, built in a range of sizes from 13 to 23 feet. The Silver Clipper line, as it was known, had lapstrake sides and plywood bottoms. The boats attracted buyers from across the country. In the late 90s, business for the boatyard dried up, and the yard closed for good in 2001. If you want to know more, check out the Soundings March 2017 issue. For other boat stories and news, go to soundingsonline.com.